Little Z. Little Z, little Z. Ow! Kitty, you bit me. Oh my god. I'm about to drink some of this. I like this stuff. This stuff is the best, especially strawberry kiwi. You know, and I'm also going to eat animal crackers. And this actually has the calories 180. Do you think that is bad? Sugar 10, Valium A, iron 6%, sodium 190. That is crazy. Total fat 6 grams, 9%. Calories from fat 50. What? So half of this is fat? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Yeah. I don't really eat these a lot, but I eat these sometimes. Let me see. It says no favorite or color. Okay, good. Let's see if yeah. Alright, I might not eat this. Has a lot of bad stuff in it. Iron is good for you. You know what? I should probably prank them. Call us at 1-877-453-5837. Go call them. Now. Right there, can you see it? Right there. Call them. Go call them. And tell them you're allergic to it. Tell them what do you do when you're allergic to this animal crackers. Alright, tell them that I didn't send you. Tell them that you are allergic to it and you just ate it. And I didn't know. Alright? Tell them, okay? I'm thirsty and I am drinking me some Coca-Cola. I can't stop drinking Coca-Cola. It's like addicting. Every time I go to get something to eat, I always have to get a drink or have something to drink like soda. And if they don't have Coke, oh my god, I have to get Pepsi. I always get Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola for the win. Yeah.